Hey guys, so looks really good here. As far as wheel weight, I did tighten up the trucks a little bit. So it's not really hitting it, so I think I'm okay when the wheel starts grinding off a little bit. We should be good. So we're at the golf course right now, and because of the virus, the golf course is closed. So I'm just gonna go around the golf course and test it out. We'll go backwards here. We're at the golf course here, and this would be a great time to test out some of the off-road capabilities of these Cloudwheels. As comfortable as all-terrain wheels, the 6-inch wheels. It's still a lot of jitter, a lot of vibration, but obviously less than stock 83mm wheels. But we'll go ahead and check it out. Oh, I can still feel it. Yeah, I don't know if this is actually a great choice, but it's definitely give you a much higher top speed. Let me go ahead and go all the way. Oh yeah, once you speed up, you get much higher top speed. Rough terrain, I mean, it is better than the other wheels for sure, but it's not as soft as I would like. But obviously top speed is a lot higher. You're going to be able to now, instead of 18 miles per hour, you should be able to go almost 25, 30. We'll do a test here in a bit. Now, for the off-road test, let's start going on some of this grass over here. Let's see how it does. I'm actually not sure. So you lose a ton of torque, but as you can see, I'm going through the fairways pretty good. But it's really slow. Doing a test earlier, and going uphill in my house, I could not go up the same hill. I could just not go up. I lost all my torque. I could just not go up. I lost all my torque. So I would only recommend this if you don't go on any hills. I mean, you're still going to be able to go on mild hills, maybe like 10% grade, but you basically lose all your hill climbing abilities. You can see I can't really go fast. Now once I'm on the road, you can see I can speed up real nice. So this Cloud wheels are really just good for going fast on smooth roads. Even though these wheels are for off-road, I would actually not recommend them. Oh, there's a lot of geese. Oh God. On my thing here. But yeah, top speed is really good. Definitely, but let's do an uphill right here. And it's too bad, but you lose a ton of torque. These wheels simply add way too much gearing. It gets rid of your gearing because basically instead of the 3-to-1 gearing you get on the boosted, now it's more like probably like 2-to-1 or less than that. But let me go ahead and pop out my distance here. Let me go ahead and pop out my speedometer and see how fast we can go. All right, here we go. 8 miles per hour, 12, 14, 15. Yeah, but it does make the ride a lot more stable at higher speeds. So I think this would be great if you want a higher top speed. If you don't need if you can sacrifice the torque. I'm actually afraid of going that fast on this board. It's just a short board and it's just not designed to go that fast. And I'm not sure if this is what I want to use. All right, let's do a speed test here. Hopefully I won't fall off.